Welcome to this video on solving math problems related to sectors. We will be walking through step-by-step solutions to help you understand these concepts. Here are the formulas we will use: the area of a sector, the arc length, and the perimeter of a sector, all defined by the central angle and the radius.
In our first problem, we need to find the area of a sector with a radius of 7 centimeters and a central angle of 90 degrees.
First, we plug the given values into the area formula. Next, we simplify the fraction and the calculation to proceed toward the final answer. Finally, we complete the calculation to find that the area is approximately 38.465 square centimeters. Now, for problem 2, we will find the perimeter of the same sector we just worked with. Step 1 is to calculate the arc length using the sector formula. Step 2 requires adding the two radii to our arc length to find the total perimeter. Performing the addition gives us a final perimeter of 24.99 centimeters. Moving to problem 3, we are asked to find the area of a sector with a radius of 10 centimeters and a 60-degree angle. We begin by setting up our equation with the radius and the angle provided. We then simplify the expression to prepare for the final calculation. The calculation results in an area of approximately 52.36 square centimeters. Finally, for problem 4, we calculate the perimeter for the sector described in problem 3. In this first step, we calculate the arc length of the sector. Next, we apply the perimeter formula by adding the arc length to 2 times the radius. Following the calculation, we find the perimeter is approximately 30.47 centimeters. Moving on to problem 5, we need to find the central angle given the area and the radius. We start by using the area formula with the given values for area and radius. We then simplify the equation to isolate the central angle. Solving for the angle, we perform the necessary division. This calculation reveals that the central angle is 200 degrees. Find the perimeter of a sector with radius 5 centimeters and angle 120 degrees. Step 1. Calculate the arc length L equals 120/360 times 2 times pi x5 equals 1/3 x 10 pi equals 10.47 centimeters. Step 2. Apply perimeter formula P equals 10.47 plus 2 times the radius.
By calculation, we get P equals 20.47 centimeters.
A pizza slice has an arc length of 15 centimeters and a radius of 10 centimeters. Find the perimeter. The perimeter formula is L plus 2R. Step 2. Substitute known values. P equals 15 plus 2 times 10.
Step 3. Calculate P equals 35 centimeters.
In our final example, we explore a scenario involving a larger sector with a radius of 12 centimeters and a central 45 degrees. Calculate the arc length, that is, the curved path of the fence, which works out to be 9.42 feet. Add the two straight sides. P equals 9.42 plus 2 times 12. Total fencing. P equals 33.42 feet.
Thank you for following along with these step-by-step solutions for calculating sector properties. We hope this video has been helpful for your practice.